Hi there, welcome to this episode on data modeling. Today we're going to be talking about Snowflake Schema, how to create Snowflake Schema. And I've dealt with the theory of data modeling in the previous videos. You can check that out on this playlist, theory of data modeling basically. Yeah, so we did star schema in the last video, and in this episode we are talking about Snowflake Schema. How do we do that on Power BI? It's very similar to star schema, just with an extra touch. Now let's get into Power BI to get our data. Let's go ahead to get our data. Our data is a CSV file. So text/CSV. Alright, so we're going to load all this data. The store.customer. Start with that first. Yeah. Yeah, so I will transform this data, take it into Power Query. Alright, so the next step after loading this, we still have other data we want to load into Power Query. So I'll start from here, new sources, and then go to text/CSV. So I need the store.other items, and then I'll do the same for the rest of the data sets. Alright, after loading all this data, we have store customer, store other items, store other status, store others, store products, store shippers. So we have these 6 different tables. How do we model them on Power BI? As you can see, check the data quality, everything is fine. You can just check the bar, just scan through the bars. As you can see, although we have some nulls, which means that some of them are missing. Like this is a comment, so I don't think I'm needing this column, so I would just leave this like that. On the status, perfect. Others items, perfect. This is supposed to be unit price, which is fixed decimal. I will just change this to fixed decimal. Replace current. Product ID, I'll coerce that as text because it's a unique identifier. Text, good. And then other ID as well, I'll take that as text because they're not numbers per se, they're unique identifiers. So quantity would be all numbers basically, so that's fine. All number, yep, that's correctly formatted. And then I'll go to store customers, first name customer ID, and this I'll change this to text so that doesn't perform arithmetic operations on customer ID because it's saying it as numbers. And then ship birth date is date, address yes, so this is fine. And then I'll load this into Power BI, close and apply. Alright, this is loaded already. So we have on the right, we have our data, we have the tables, store customer, store other items, store other status, store other, store product, store shippers. So how do we model this? I'll go to the model view to do this. Alright, so we see this Power BI did not automatically create a connection between these tables, so we need to see how we can create this connection. So I would look for a table that has connection with other tables basically, so I can see order ID or product ID, quantity, unit price. Is there any place we have this is customer ID, first name, last name? Is there any way we have common? This is other status ID, this is customer ID. Now I can see customer ID, I've seen customer ID somewhere. This is customer ID, right? So I will, this is customer ID, this is customer ID, right? So I'll click this and take this to customer ID here just to create a relationship. So I can see this is the customer table 1 2 3, this is the customer ID stores, that's the orders. So we are seeing one to many. What does that mean? This is the customer table. That means each customer 1, customer 2, customer 3. There's no repetition. But in the orders table, one customer can order multiple times. So that's why having one to many, and it's a single cross filter direction. Okay. Alright, good. We've created a relationship. So because I do not want this line to cross this table, I'll take this here. Good. So these are the ones that we've connected. Then I'm seeing product ID. This is product ID. This is order ID. I saw order ID somewhere. This is order ID. Yeah, this is order ID. So I can take this and then put it here. Yeah, order ID. Good. So order ID says this is many to one, which is fine. This is the store orders. This is the order items. Okay. I would say okay. Okay, this has been connected to this, and then I see product ID. I've seen product ID somewhere. Yeah, this is product ID here, and then I click and drag this to this. Yeah, this is one to many product ID. These are the list of the products that they have and with their IDs, and these are the products that people ordered basically. I'll save this. Yes, and then I can see shipper ID. I think I've seen shipper ID somewhere. Yeah, here. This is where shipper ID is. So I would drag this here, shipper ID. Yes, that's one too many, and then save. Yes, so I think the distance is very long. I'll bring this here. Good. And then I can see order status ID here. The status ID. Do not see anything like that here. Shipper ID. State, phone, address, customer ID. I think there's any relationship. Oh, I see status. Order status ID. Well, they might be similar. Let's try to map them first. Let's see. Okay, good. 1, 2, 3. Oh, the same number. 1, 2, 1. So that means this is one to many. Yes, so this is a relationship, but though the column name is different, we'll see that the content inside is the same. So we can map this together. Good. So I'm going to rearrange this again. So I'm going to rearrange this again to make it look more presentable. Alright. Good. And then you see how it is Snowflake schema. Good. So we can see how it is a Snowflake schema, right? And then let me take this up a bit. Okay, good. And then we can see this one. Now this is if this were not there, if this store products table were not there, then this would have been a star schema. But this they are the sub dimension table. So this makes this whole design or model a Snowflake schema. So we already have one sub dimension table. Alright, so this is how to create a Snowflake schema. If you find this video very helpful, kindly do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel and then like this video and make a comment in the comment section so that YouTube can suggest these videos to those who actually need it. Alright, so thank you very much. See you in the next episode.